To auto-hide status and navigation bars while using split screen view in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap multi-window. And then tap the gray on offset next to full screen in split screen view to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. To see how it works, open apps in split screen view. As the example, we will open apps in split screen view using swipe gesture. If you hold the phone in portrait view like this, swipe up with two fingers from the bottom of the screen to open it in split screen view. You can see that your phone will automatically hide the status bar and the navigation bar. So you can see more of each app while you are viewing them in split screen view. To see the status bar or navigation bar, swipe up from the bottom of the screen or swipe down from the top of the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.